Between preserved nature and the cultural roots that help shape the city of Curitiba in the state of Paraná in southern Brazil, one of its most enchanting parks stands out: Bosque Alemão. Opened in 1996 to honor German immigration, Bosque Alemão, or German Woods, occupies a carefully protected area of native forest. Here, heritage and landscape exist in perfect balance. As visitors walk along its shaded paths, they discover the Hansel and Gretel Trail, inspired by the Brothers Grimm, where storytelling, imagination, and nature blend seamlessly. The Enchanted House reinforces this cultural atmosphere, while the lookout point reveals sweeping views of Curitiba, highlighting the contrast between lush greenery and the urban skyline. More than just a park, Bosque Alemão is an invitation to slow down, observe, and connect. Whether you come to walk, capture photographs, or simply breathe fresh air, this is one of the most memorable destinations in southern Brazil. Bosque Alemão, where culture, nature, and history meet in harmony.